Welcome to Asyn Code. Hello and welcome. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to be part of the fun. In C++, variables are like storage boxes where we store data so that we can use it later in our program. Think of variables as containers that hold values, and these values can change as the program runs. They are fundamental building blocks for writing any program. This example demonstrates a simple C++ program that simulates part of a payroll or personal information system. It calculates the tax amount based on an employee's salary, stores some basic information like age and grade, and prints these details along with a greeting message. In this code, variables are used to store values that the program will use during its execution. Each variable serves a specific purpose and has a defined type that determines the kind of data it can hold. Int age stores the person's age as a whole number. Float salary stores the person's salary, which can include decimal values. Char grade stores a single character representing the person's grade. Float tax rate stores the tax rate as a decimal. Float tax amount stores the calculated tax amount by multiplying the salary and tax rate. This library is included to allow the use of input and output functions like cout for displaying messages and cin for receiving input. This allows us to use standard C++ functions like cout without needing to write std: every time. Function declaration. This tells the compiler that the greet function exists and will be defined later. Declaring and initializing variables. Age is an integer variable, used to store whole numbers. The value 25 is assigned to age. This represents the person's age. Salary is a floating point variable, used to store numbers that include decimal places. The value 4500.50 represents the salary. Grade is a character variable, used to store a single character. In this case, it holds B, representing a different grade. Declaring and initializing the tax rate. Tax rate is a floating point variable that represents the percentage of tax as a decimal. 0.1 means 10%. Using an expression to calculate the tax amount. The expression salary * tax rate calculates the tax amount by multiplying salary by the tax rate. Displaying the values of the variables using the cout function. This line prints the value of the age variable, which is 25. This line prints the value of the salary variable, which is 4,500.50. This line prints the value of the grade variable, which is now B. Displaying the calculated tax amount. This prints the value of the calculated tax amount, 450.05. Calling the greet function. The greet function is called here. It will execute the code inside the greet function. The return statement signals that the program has executed successfully and finishes the execution of the main function. Function definition for greet. Greet is a function with no parameters and no return type. Its purpose is simply to display a welcome message. This line prints, "Welcome to the program," to the screen. Now run our code. That's it for today, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.